All right, guys, super special package right here. We're gonna be unboxing 9 boxes directly from Sneakercon. These are all the sneakers that we ended up buying from everybody at our booth.
Yep.
Crazy. We're gonna bring them out front. Start unboxing like it's Christmas. Let's get it.
Let's little over 100 pairs too. This might be a long one, Rich.
Yeah, everything will be on our website if you guys are interested. I didn't see all your buyouts, so I'm pretty excited myself.
A couple heaters in here.
Yeah,
a couple heaters.
I'm not gonna lie. I looked over. You had a whole stack of the car Crocs. I hope you didn't buy those out.
Oh man, those
They've
are
been selling hot though.
You had a whole stack of those. I was like,
these are full boxes.
And we did work too for just the amount of time that we actually spent in, the event.
Sunday was like
I think we had to cut it off like
2 hours.
2 hours there.
Yeah, 2 hours of shopping. Like we were going quick. We made it happen.
I did a little early unboxing with this one. Flat out size. Hold on, my voice. There we go. Had a little frog in there, you know what I mean? All right, so we got a size 10. My friend hooped in these the other day. He literally said they look cooked after one hoop session. I almost bought a pair. We have a size 8.5, and he was saying they are literally done after one hoop session. Let me know if you guys think these are worth it or if they are a drop. So we ended up getting these for $255, really good deal.
Definitely a good deal. When those first came out, they were going for like $300. I was paying $300.
You were paying $300,
so to get for $255, that's a good price.
You want to just put all shoes where?
Stack them up against like the right here.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Against the counter.
Yeah.
And we got here. Okay, we got some big footers here, size 13.
What we got? Oh, I needed more of those too. The olives.
Dude, we had some football players come through and they were kind of disappointed in the heat case.
We had to step it up
some
a little
size
bit.
13s for you guys now. Some olive lows. Ooh, we got some heat right here. I knew, because they don't make the boxes like this anymore, right?
Funniest part about this transaction, right? He came to our table. He wanted $550.
Yeah.
Or no, he wanted $6.
I remember this.
He wanted $6. I offered him $550. He goes, let me think about it. I'll hit you up after the end of the event. As we're packing up and shipping stuff, he goes, you want these for $500? What? I was like, yeah, I'll take it for $500.
All right, got a pair of Unions right here. This is probably the #1 sneaker that Brandon kept saying he was looking for. Union ones. Do you feel like these are going up or something?
They have to go up. Like, there's no way they can stay at retail. And I found out some info about this drop.
What?
When Union dropped these and you gotta buy one, get one free. That is why the market is so low.
Is that why people are hooking them up?
And they're just selling them because it's like they got one for free.
Because we're getting these for $220.
What do you mean a buy one, get one free? Why would they do
They
that?
were showing love. I don't know.
I wonder if it's a glitch. But shit,
Yeah.
for $220,
How
can't
could
be
you-
mad. That's pretty much retail.
How can you not? I knew what this shoe was as soon as I cracked it open. This is the best smelling shoe in the game. I don't know what it is. I'm telling you guys right now. Smell this shoe. It is so fire. I wish I could make my car smell like this every time I walk in.
Smells like
Smells like
super glue.
Nordstrom.
No, it does not
Smells
smell
like
like
Nordstrom.
Nordstrom, bro. If you guys have a brand new SB, just because
Give
it's
it a
called
whiff.
pine green, don't mean it smells like
You
pine
like
and
it.
green, all right?
You like it, huh?
Kind
You
of does
like
smell like Nordstrom Seattle.
See?
You guys let us know. If you guys have a brand new pair of these, let me know. I don't think Nordstrom. I say super glue. He says Nordstrom.
Shout out to Shaka Souls for these ones.
Yep.
They sold us these for $330. That had to be the best price in the whole event. Like by far.
$330 for these.
Brand new.
Shoe of the year to a lot of people so far.
What you got?
Doritos.
Oh,
Dang.
I have a contender.
Finally,
Shoe of the year.
because
That
those
just
ones.
opened up.
Oh,
The Utos.
those are not bad. at
Those
all.
are so clean.
These look so good on feet.
Yeah.
Like
You
they
know,
match with everything.
I get so happy when I see these in the store because I almost feel like nobody wants to sell it to us.
Nobody.
Or just at all.
Nobody. All right, so that's a weird sneaker because what we're talking about on StockX, they're around what, like
Five.
five?
People are asking $150 over StockX price.
I don't get that.
So we
That's
got it
one of those
for
shoes that has a crazy price right
so
now.
$575 kind of met in the middle.
Best I could do. That's
Yeah.
the only pair I was able to get at the con. That is tough.
I
Got
see you
some,
negotiate
Supreme
for non-top
Dunks
too.
right here. These are really clean. They remind me of. Do you remember the push heads? Push?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
the?
Same vibe.
All right, don't call me out. But what is a push head?
I think it's called Puss Head.
Oh, puss head.
I
I
could be wrong. I could be wrong.
think you might be right because that's kind of like a puss head.
Yeah. All right, you let us
I
know
always
what
thought they
a
were called push heads too.
push head is.
But definitely have the same, vibe.
Sean Witherspoons. This guy came up to me and Richie as we were just walking around.
Yep.
Richie's like, "You selling those?" And we ended up getting a deal. $575 on these. Pretty clean, size 11.
Get a little better. I'm getting a little better at knowing what you're
You
trying
saw
to
the
get.
box. That's all you needed,
I saw
right?
the box. Got some guavas, size 8. This is a pretty good deal. $400 for these.
That was a really good deal.
Yeah.
Speaking of Shaka Kicks, shout out to the boy Cody. These are actually personal, so I'll put these to the side right here. But he hooked these up for me.
He sold you those for StockX payout, which was something I wasn't hearing the entire event.
No,
Like, that's
yeah,
rare.
yeah.
That's rare.
Always got to give you guys a huge thank you for always hooking it up when you guys are selling to us, and you know, just being like mindful that we got a store to run, we have expenses and everything. It's you know, it's appreciated. It's appreciated. And we're being pretty
There's probably like over a dozen of buyers out there, buyer booths.
Yeah.
And some of you guys come straight to us. The first
The coolest part, so I bought the ComplexCon Air Force ones. That was my, like, I couldn't even believe it. And while he was selling them to me, a dude was standing right next to the guy and was like, hey, if I'll buy those right now.
He was hawking.
He was hawking like a sniper, basically.
I think he overheard the deal price that he was giving you. So.
And
he
then
stopped in his tracks.
and then my guy, the guy that was selling me the ComplexCon Air Force Ones, was like, nah, I just want to sell to Rich. So shout out to you, man. I forgot to grab your name, but huge thank you to you. Who knows what that other guy would have paid? He had
thrown an extra 1,000 on top. That's
he literally could have thrown 1,000.
That's how good the deal
He had the
was.
CPMF dunks.
Yeah,
so I was like, I know he got some money.
Right.
And shout out to the
that's
seller.
crazy that someone actually brought those to us. Just the fact that you kind of like barely hinted in any of the channels.
Yeah.
I didn't even know
You
wanted
probably
them.
mentioned
That's
maybe
why I
like
told him.
twice.
Couple times.
I told
Only
him, I
a-
was like, I don't think Richie's really looking for these. And he came back and Richie's eyes lit up.
Yeah.
Oh, he came the first time.
The first
Yeah,
time,
that was
I don't
dope.
really know if Richie's looking for these. This might have been the steal of the whole trip or the whole event. $80 for these guys. Royalty floors, $80. Like, they're still really clean too. So shout out to the guy that sold us these for $80.
I remember when the shoe came to the booth. It was super heavy. I
The
could not.
sheets.
I was shocked how heavy these were.
How did Rasheed Wallace hoop in mid Air Forces?
He hooped in
Like,
highs.
In the hot how?
Yeah, I
How
don't
is
know.
that possible? Those might come home with me. I'm on the fence. I really like those, and it's my size.
Like, literally, I've never seen one in person.
Yeah, like that
at
shoe
all.
is pretty sick.
See, you got super excited for these ones right here.
This is a shoe we've only had used condition, and they get pretty beat up quick.
Oh.
But these is the lemon lime hot steppers right here.
Yeah.
Size 8, brand new, super loud. These are fire.
Those are tight.
$575 on these.
We got some Lamellos right here, the Rick and Morty's. These
That shoe was so hyped when it came out.
so hype, man. I think it's actually a good hoop shoe. Like, a lot of people hoop in
heard
these.
that.
Yeah.
Bro, is this a
was
50
the
bucks?
one. That was the one. You remember that?
This is the guy that won.
Literally sitting next to you, and I was like, did he just sell those to you for 50 bucks?
He's like, just give me an offer.
Yeah,
I'm
I
like,
guess
I'm
the-
gonna start low. I said 50. He's like, yeah, I'll take it.
You know what? The Poison booth behind us.
Yeah, we're
They were
just-
giving out free pair of shoes. I guess.
bags,
I guess it helps that we're right behind them.
He got them for free?
Yeah, free. They're giving away shoes.
What size are those?
These are 8.
Oh!
8.5. 8.5.
Hey, man, hey.
These are sleepers right here.
We have this policy, one shoe a month you could get for what we got it for.
Right.
Bro, this would go with the fit right now.
fit.
These are cleaner than the black ones, I would say.
I agree.
These are clean. Wow.
Okay, yeah.
These are called the coconuts,
Coconut
right?
milk.
These are so. We talked about these on Copper Drop. Remember, Gabe?
Yeah.
Damn, these are. I'm gonna set these aside. You know, there's a couple shoes I'm setting aside. Which one's gonna be the cars or the coconuts? Cars and coconuts, right here.
This was another special pair. We haven't had one of these in the shop yet. Halloween's right around the corner.
Oh,
The Mummy SBs.
crazy.
I almost like these more than the Travis SBs. Crazy, yeah, I know. Can't go wrong with some Mamba Stitas. I think I grabbed 2 pairs of these at the trip. $450, great price.
Hey, B, do you like when you get a shoe without the box?
I actually don't. I did when I first started buying. Now that we sell on eBay, I definitely prefer having the box.
Oh, got it.
That was the only shoe I bought with no box.
But do we get like a little
care.
advantage for them not having the box?
Yeah, I think we saved like $100, which is crazy without having a box. But
$400 for a worn, I think once or
barely
twice.
worn, yeah. Great price.
I do remember Brandon trying to say these were sneaker of the year. You have not talked about these since that video, bro. You better stop coming out the woodworks with the sneaker of the year talks, man.
I will say,
Like,
I will say,
he has not even ever brought these
they're
up.
a hot seller though. They sell for us.
Look here.
Sneaker of the. We're talking sneaker
There's
of the
not
year.
one
got me sweating on
OG
that one.
characteristic on this. Like, there's not one OG Jordan 4 characteristic on this.
Pure money.
It's all like weird and like chrome and like this is supposed to be suede.
Shoot for the ladies.
Oh, come on, man.
For the ladies.
You were a little off on that one. A little off.
They're clean, but they ain't no
Thanks
shoe.
shoe of the year. All right, I'll take that. Special pair here, early, the only early pair. I usually don't buy early pairs because it's kind of a scary investment. You don't know where the market's gonna be. Got the April SBs.
The details on that are pretty dope. Yeah.
Fire. $400 on these though. I did kind of pay a lot.
This guy must really actually like these shoes. He bought 5 pairs of them. So,
Oh, there it is, Rich.
oh my! Look at the tag. 100.
Peep that price tag.
$100.
Alright, I got a little story. I literally went shopping for myself. I walked around. I was like, I'm looking for the Drake Air Force Ones. These are kind of hard to find right now in my size. Came back. I was like pretty proud. I was like, Brandon, talked the guy down from 240 to 210.
Which was good price.
And he was like, cool. So I set him aside for personal.
Yeah.
And then 20 minutes later, Brandon hands me this pair. Was like, here you go, $100.
$100.
Like I'm telling you guys, huge thank you to you guys for hooking us up with the fair prices, man. Like,
Yeah.
It definitely goes a long way.
yeah, it definitely goes a long way.
All right, we got another pair of Mambasitas. What y'all think, man? The 4s or the 6s?
Man, that is
by
tough.
far the 6s.
I would
Really?
go 6s too. 'Cause
Those
I'm
are
not a
so
big
underwhelming.
white sneaker guy to hoop in. I do like those.
Underwhelming?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're right,
that's
the 6s
tough,
are
that's
better.
tough.
These aren't bad though.
This is a shoe that I've only gotten once in the store. Pretty dope one actually. The Ray Gun SBs.
Yeah.
These
And
are
it
clean,
reminds
classic.
me of like back in the day,
That
like how they
SB
did it.
era.
Yeah.
Whenever they have the little logo on the side, you know that's a special one.
Palomino, super slept off for the price. We got these for $200 right here.
That is crazy.
Quality's pretty fire too.
Yeah, those are dope.
Rich, this is the one. You know when the kids come up to the table and I just feel bad sometimes? This is one of those ones where he kind of got, I had to
What
buy
happened?
it.
What happened?
I
What
felt
happened?
bad for the kid, so he's with his dad. I usually don't buy Jordan 1 mids.
Oh my god. The
don't
New
like
York
Jordan
Nick
one
colorway.
New York Knickerbockers.
At least it's a good color.
Brandon, this ain't no damn charity, all right? How much you buy them for?
So he wanted 150, which is what he paid. Kind of showed him that, hey, they only go for 100. Would you do 60? We did a coin flip.
Uh-huh.
60.
Probably lost.
We lost.
Probably lost.
60
Brandon
or
was a good
75.
1 for 10 the entire weekend. 1 for 10.
Coin flips aren't my thing. But yeah, 60 or 75 we coin flipped. Of course I lost, so we got them for 75 bucks. We'll throw them on the site, 85 bucks.
Each coverage just
85
shipping
bucks.
them here.
That's way under retail. It's still a good shoe.
And brand new too.
Brand new, size 12. So if you guys are watching this, you know, grab these for 85 bucks. Come on.
Wearing a size 12 from New York City
They
and
go
go
like-
and buy those.
Hey, speaking of kids, man, I felt bad for those two that they bought the midnight 4s outside.
Yeah.
Ended up being fake. You got to be a cold dude to sell some kids some fakes, man.
And yeah, like don't buy any shoes outside the venue, man. That's just a rule. Yeah.
Just don't do that. Don't do that
They
one.
sell bootlegs outside the stadiums all the time, man. They do this with the shoes too.
Hey, no. They took bootlegs to another level.
Lobsters, small size lobsters, 7.5. Don't get these too often.
Yep. Don't see these too often anymore. Travis Scott.
Today.
First mochas. What size are these bad boys?
Can't go wrong with
10.5.
those. Ooh. Tiffany's, the second pair of Tiffany's for the shop.
Oh.
Boom.
Damn,
how much you buy these for?
I think those were 1,700, but they are brand new.
My
You
God.
don't see crispy pairs like that.
That is
Quite
super
often.
icy.
You even see some DS pairs age poorly.
Oh yeah,
This
they
was
get
actually
super
fresh.
yellow.
Yep.
And this is one that might come home with me, guys. I
Damn.
bought this
This is
size
actually
12.
a sleeper. If any of the shades were just a tad bit different, I think these would be just a drop.
A lot of people are saying they remind them of the Stussy SBs. They have that like same color palette. a little bit.
Okay.
But that one might come
These are
home. I'm
mine,
gonna
though.
put these to the side. Got them for 400, so.
SBs are pretty they're holding their price. All right, man. But that was pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you guys what we ended up getting at Sneakercon. A lot of cool stories, a lot of fun moments.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to you guys. Anybody that we met there, anybody that even said what's up. Huge thank you to you guys. Like we said, everything will be on the site as of right now, actually.
Yeah.
So as of right now, you guys could go on our site, tribute.shop. Everything's gonna be on there. Just click your size, and then
Throw
yeah.
in deals. You guys give us deals, we're able to throw deals too. So.
Yes, sir. Anything else, Brandon?
Until the next Sneakercon, man, we're about ready to get all these on the site and let's get these sold. Let's go.